Here is a numerical type question. Work through the numbers carefully. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. C7H14 has the molecular formula corresponding to 1 degree of unsaturation. Du is equal to 2 times 7 plus 2 dash 14. 2 is equal to 1, which means 1 ring or 1 double bond. Since we restrict to only 5-membered ring cycloalkanes, we need cyclopentane, C5H10, as the base ring with the remaining 2 carbons attached as substituents. Moving on to the next step. Identify the base ring. A cyclopentane ring uses 5 carbons, we have 7 total, so 2 carbons remain as substituents, as alkyl groups, attached to the ring. Moving on to the next step. Enumerate ways to attach 2 carbons to cyclopentane as alkyl substituents. Case A. 1 substituent containing both carbons is equal to 1 ethyl group on cyclopentane. Ethylcyclopentane, 1 isomer, all ring positions equivalent for monosubstitution. Case B. To separate methyl groups, each substituent is CH3 on cyclopentane is equal to dimethylcyclopentane. The 2 methyl groups can be placed on the ring at different relative positions. 1,1-dimethylcyclopentane, both methyls on the same carbon 1 isomer. 1,2-dimethylcyclopentane, methyls on adjacent carbons cis and trans stereoisomers 2 isomers. 1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, methyls separated by 1 carbon cis and trans stereoisomers 2 isomers. 1, 4 and beyond on a 5-membered ring are equivalent to 1, 2 or 1, 3 by symmetry, so no new constitutional isomers. And for the final step, count all structural and stereoisomers. Ethylcyclopentane, 1,1,1-dimethylcyclopentane, 1,1,2-dimethylcyclopentane, cis-1,1,2-dimethylcyclopentane, trans 1,1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, cis-1,1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, trans 1. That gives 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 so far. Wait, re-examining, the question asks for total isomers including stereoisomers, giving 8. Recheck, 1,2-dimethylcyclopentane trans has 2 enantiomers, R and S that are non-superimposable, so it counts as 2 distinct stereoisomers. Similarly, 1,3-dimethylcyclopentane trans has 2 enantiomers counting as 2. Ethylcyclopentane, 1,1,1-dimethylcyclopentane, 1 cis, 1, 2-dimethylcyclopentane, 1 mesolike, achiral. Trans 1,2-dimethylcyclopentane, 2 R and S enantiomers. Cis 1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, 2 enantiomers, R S pair. Trans 1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, 1 achiral, meso. Total 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, the correct answer is 8. Therefore, the correct answer is 8.